चलो चलो sir. So again, very good morning to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Right? Am I audible, visible to everyone? Just quick confirmation, please. Just a quick confirmation, please. Am I audible as well as visible? Am I audible as well as visible? So good morning, Subhash. Good morning, Nitish. Good morning, everyone. Audible, visible. Subhash is saying from tomorrow home setup. No, Subhash. No. It's not no home setup. From this one only, sir. From this one only, sir. Reena, yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning, Reena. So again, good morning to each and everyone. Good morning to each and everyone. Right. So again, we are back. Something you said in the last class? No. No, for this batch is like this setup only, sir. This setup only, sir. Now, if something goes wrong, then home setup is there for backup. Something goes wrong, actually, you see, like in our area, there's a highway construction going on. It will go on like for the last 3 years. It has been going on. It's a big highway, so the bridges and everything is going on. So sometimes they do hurt. The internet lines, all the fiber optic cables of all the companies, they go through the same place. So sometimes some mishap happens during transportation. So that is something that might happen. So in that situation, like if the lines break or something, then I have to take classes from my like home studio only. But again, other than that, I will take classes from here only. Chalo sir, chalo. Let's start with arithmetic. So again, arithmetic, the first class will be on simplification. The first class will be on simplification. Now, this is a very easy chapter. Always I say this. Remember, this is your free hit question. You will at least get one question from here, and that is your free hit question, meaning you need to hit a 6 on this ball. Yes, it is. Reena, every day. Today also there will be one session from 5 o'clock, like from 5 p.m. So every day from 5 to 6, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I take that class. Okay, every day, like apart from weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So Monday and Tuesday, I take the mock analysis on that slot. Monday is CGL mock, and Tuesday is the like the NTPC mock, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These 3 days I take the sets, the practice sets. Okay. So today also I'll be live. Tomorrow also I'll be live. Then again I'll be live on Monday. Okay. Every day I'm there. Rajeshwari, very good morning. Very good morning, Rajeshwari. So again, chalo. Now, so again, what I was saying, this is your free hit question. Now, in this chapter, we will not only learn about how to solve simplification questions. This chapter also, we also need to learn how to calculate. How to calculate. Now, in your basic calculations video, like a basic introduction video, I told you, so speed, you'll see in your preparation time as well, speed and accuracy, they are in terms of mathematics inversely proportional, meaning that this thing goes up, so this thing comes down, or this thing goes up, so this thing comes down, right? So it is very tricky to both like keep these both up, or like otherwise both actually comes down. So we need what? We need to figure out a way to kind of keep both the things up. Meaning we need to multiply, like we need to like find out a way to calculate faster, also with more accuracy. So that is something that we are going to learn today. And we, along the way, we will like solve a few questions as well. Now again, let me say one thing. Not every calculation technique can be taught in a class. Let me say this upfront only. So what we do, so throughout this course, not like today we'll start, and throughout this course, along like everywhere we need to calculate. So I will keep on adding something here and there, here and there, here and there. Perfect. Rajeshwari, yes. Hi, how are you? How are you, Rajeshwari? Okay, so we will keep on adding things, like we'll like learning things. Now, again, let me say one thing. Let me say one thing. Now, a question comes, sir, why we are suddenly, like as apart from chapters, we are learning calculations. That also something you need to understand. Sir, we are learning calculations because you see, you take any chapter, say profit and loss, say time speed distance, say ratio proportion, say like anything, like algebra, anything you take. So the concept of that particular chapter, DI for example, concept of that chapter is over in the first two lines. Some question first line, some questions first two lines. But again, the answer you are not getting in the first two lines, right? For getting to the answer, for getting to get to marking the option, you need to solve 3 or 4 lines. Those last 3 or 4 lines is nothing but calculation. So you see, if you take calculation as a chapter, that is something, that portion is common for each and every question. For tier 1, from the question number 1 to question number 25. That is common for each and every question, sir. So if you take calculation as a chapter, that is the most important chapter. You get 25 questions in tier 1. Can you guys think like this? Can you guys think like this? So you must learn a way, or you must figure out a way to keep these two in check, meaning keep these two high as like kind of like together, both speed as well as accuracy. Okay, so chalo, I'll start give you the like we'll solve a couple of questions, then again I'll come back and definitely like solve a few things. So first question from CGL 2023 please, sir. So product of these two things, 277 into 323, sir. 277 and 323, sir. Now, you see, this is like we need to develop some instincts here. We need to develop some instincts over here, sir. 277, 323. Whenever I'm seeing this, especially this like 320, like 323, it is saying to me, bhai dekho, this is na this 323, and this is, sir, 300. Sir, a plus b into a minus b gives you 300 square minus 23 square. Again, Subhash, you are absolutely correct, brother. So 300 square, we all know 3 square 9, two zeros means square, we'll do 4 zeros. So 23 square is how much? Let's see how many of you know. 23 square, 23 square, sir. 23 square is how much, sir? 23 square is how much, sir? 23 square, anyone? Yes, 500. Kisna answer? Subhash. Yes, very good, Subhash. So you do this, it is 520, 471, 89471, sir. Option number 1, sir. Option number, sir, 1. Option number, sir, 1. You are getting my point. So again, please understand, do not solve this question only from the point of view of solving this question. Learn what we have done here and apply this in your general calculation as well. The techniques that we are learning through these questions, please try to internalize this. Please try to understand this so that you can use these techniques in your general calculations as well. Perfect. Subhash, Nitish, Reena, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Is this clear, sir? Is this clear, sir? Is this clear, everyone? So again, as we are doing square, let me say this. Minimum, you need to remember the squares from 1 to 32 preferably 1 to 50. This is preferable. Okay, minimum, but again you need to like remember squares till 1 to 32. Acha. As we are doing this, as we are talking about squares, let me show you how to find squares of the numbers that we don't know. That we don't know. Finding squares. So I'll show you two techniques, okay? I will show you two techniques, sir. One is base method. Sir, say for example, if someone asks me, sir, how to figure out 93 square using base method. Acha, for your exam purpose, you need 1 to 100, so let's 1 to 120. If you can figure out this much, that is most like more than enough, honestly, more than enough. But again, the method I'm showing you, you will be able to figure out anything using this method. So 93 square is how to figure it out, sir. So tell me one thing. So 93 is how much less than 100? Why? Because this number base method may we take our base. Most preferred base is 100, sir. Sir, if not, I will take the bases as multiples of 100 or some factors of 100. Meaning generally we take 100, 200 like this, or we can also take 100 into half, that is 50 as well for smaller numbers. But here, sir, the number is very close to 100, so I'll take this as 100 only. I'll take this as 100 only, sir. For 8649, yes, let's see how. Sir, this is how much less than 100, sir? It is 7 less. It is 7 less than 100. Do the square of 7. How much, sir? 49. So 93 was 7 less than 100, no, sir? 7 you do less from 93 itself. Sir, you do 7 less from 93 itself. Sir, 7 less 93 minus 7, if I do, I get to 86. That's your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. Subhash is correct. Pramukh is correct. Nitish is correct. Perfect. So this is your base method, sir. Let's do one more. Let's do one more, sir. Let's do one more, sir. Sir, for example, sir, what if it is 97 square? You see, I want to show you guys one simple thing. Sir, 97 is how much less than 100, sir? Sir, you will say, sir, it is 3 less. Sir, do the 3 square. But sir, 3 square is 9. Remember, in base method, you need to write it down in two ways, in 2 digits at the square. But 9 is 1 digit. So what you do, sir? You put a 0, sir. So I'm writing 3 square as not 9 but 09. That is why I've taken 97 actually. It is 09. So 97 was 3 less than 100. You reduce 3 from 97. Subtract 3 from 97, that is 94. That's your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. 9409. Yes, absolutely. 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 Very, very good. Getting my point? Getting my point, sir. What about, sir? 112 square, sir. Sir, it is how much more than 100, sir? It is 12 more. Sir, what is the square of 12, sir? 144. But, sir, again, I only have 2 places to put square. Sir, 112 square is 144, no, sir? 44, I'm writing 1 as carry. 144, I'm writing like this. 1 and 44, I've written. 1 is your carry, sir. Sir, 112 was 12 more than 100. You add 12 to 112. So, it becomes 124, sir. Sir, 1 was carry, so it becomes 125, 44, sir. Sir, answer. This is your answer, sir. This is your answer, 12544. You see, there are, I'll show you other techniques as well, but again, let me say this, there is no faster way of calculating squares than base method. और एक मैं टेक्निक दिखाऊंगा, but again, let me say this, there is no faster way of calculating squares than base method, brothers and sisters. Is this clear? Clear, sir, everyone? Everyone. Now you will say, sir, what about smaller numbers? Say, for example, if someone asks, sir, what is 49 square? Because if I take base as 100, sir, this is 51 less than 100. So if I know 51 square, then why will I do 49 square? right? Why will I be doing 49 square? No. So in that case, we need to change our base. Now we will do we'll take our base as 50, sir. We will take our base as 50. The method changes very slightly here. Most of the thing is same. Just a very simple change will happen. Sir, 49 is how much less than 100? Like 50, sir? It is 1 less. Square of 1 is how much, sir? Sir, you will do, sir, 0, 1. Because 2 places. That same rule, 2 places. 0, 1, sir. Sir, 49 was 1 less than 100, na? Now here I was subtracting that number from the number itself, but here we cannot do that. Here we have to subtract the number from half of 100. Half of 100 means, sir, sorry, half of 50, sir. Because 50 is half of 100 now. So we have to subtract that from half of 50, meaning 25. So meaning, sir, it is 1 less, na? So you subtract this 1, not from 49, from half of 50, meaning from 25. 25 minus 1, sir, how much? That's your answer, sir. 2401. Perfect, perfect, sir, perfect, sir. Sir, 67 square, sir. 67 square. Sir, he will say, sir, 67. Sir, it is 17 more than 100. Sorry, 17 more than 50. 17 square, sir, 289. 89 you put. 2 is your carry, sir. Now what is happening? Sir, it is 17 more than 50. You add 17 to what? 25, half of 50. So 25 plus 20, sir, 45 minus 3, sir, 43, sir. Oh, sorry, 42, sir. So 4489 is the answer, sir. Because 2 was carried, na, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear, sir. Subhash वैसे भी चलेगा. That also works, brother. Clear? Works? Perfect. Now. Let's again move on to some questions. थोड़ा हमने सीख लिया. थोड़ा हमने सीखा. So let's move on to some BODMAS rules. So BODMAS rules, we all know. BODMAS rules, if you don't know, so it is just a quick recap, okay? I'm not going very deep. So this is brackets because this batch is targeted not for absolute beginners. You guys already have done a basic level of preparation. Achha, sir, this O for off, D for divisions, M for multiplications, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now let me just modify this for you guys. थोड़ा easy कर देते हैं, sir. Sir, remember D and M you can do in the same line. Same step you can do. Okay? And A and S you can do in the same line, sir. This is what we call modified BODMAS, sir. This is what we call the modified BODMAS, sir. Brackets mein first bracket is called VD, like vinculum bracket. Vinculum looks like a bar. So somewhere you might see this rule as V-BODMAS rule. No, vinculum is also a bracket actually technically. So this is also part of brackets. So vinculum is also bracket. So actually this is like this. So again, the modified rule is saying division and multiplication you can do in the same line. Addition and subtraction you can do in the same line. It does not change, alter your answer. It does not alter your answer, sir. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Very, very simple. Very, very simple things we are doing. Nothing like very, very complicated or anything. First question of the day from CGL 2018, sir. 12.2, sir, division and multiplication. Can I do in the same line? Just I have told you, sir, 2.92s are this. 2 into 2, sir, 4. So it is 15.2 plus this thing I am taking 4 minus. So again, sir, this is multiplication and division. Can I do in the same line? Absolutely. 3.5 into 2. Sir, by 0.5 means half, meaning sir this is also into 2 na, because by 0.5, by half means into 2. Done, sir. Sir, this is 7 into 2, 14, sir. Sir, 15.2 plus 4 minus 14. So this is again addition, subtraction, same line, minus 10. Minus 10 plus it is 5.2. It is 5.2, option number 3, sir. Option number, sir, 3. So Subhash, Nitish, Pramukh, Reena, absolutely all of you guys are 100% correct. All of you guys are 100% correct. Clear, 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 sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? A quick yes or no? A quick yes or no, sir? Any doubts you might have, please feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free to ask, right? बिल्कुल पूछ लो भाई. CHSL 2024 pre-now. Before I solve this question, let me say this. Predominantly, this is a batch for CGL, but simplification. Let me say this, there is a golden rule, simplification, or CHSL always ask more difficult simplifications than CGL. CHSL always asks bigger simplifications than CGL, and it has been going on for a long time. This is not the first time. This is not the first time. You see, look at the questions, you will get to understand. Garma garam question from last year only. Sir, division multiplication साथ में करेंगे sir. Sir, 5, 8 minus 5, this thing. 8 minus 5 divided by, this is a 2 cube means 8 into 3, sir. Plus 7 by 7, sir, 1 into 7, sir, 7. चेक काम करते हैं sir. So this is 1 into 7, sir, 7. Divided by, sir, 7. Meaning, sir, वही sir 1 बन जाएगा this one. This is 1, sir. This will become 1, sir. 1, like 7 by 7 will become 1. I'm just skipping that step. So this is, sir, 1 plus. Sir, again, sir, 3 into 6. Think. Division means multiplied 3 into, sir, 1 by 3 cube. Achha, let's do one thing, sir. Bracket I'll give at the end because multiplication division hai. So I don't need to worry about brackets, sir. So it is 3 into 1 by 3 cube, sir. Done. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Done. 3 3s and 3 3 is gone. Sir, what is remaining, sir? Calculate kar lete, sir. 8 minus 15 by 8 plus 1 plus 2, sir. Sir, 8 plus 3, sir, it is 11 minus 15 by 8. 88 minus 15, 88 minus 15 is how much? 73, na? Option number 4, sir. Option number, sir, 4. 73 divided by 8. Tanmay, Nitish, Subhash, you guys are all absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys are about this question. You see, you can only save time. You understand what I'm trying to do here? What I'm trying to do over here? Please try to understand here. What I'm trying to do over here is actually we are getting to shorten these by applying the modifying like BODMAS. That modified BODMAS we are applying and kind of like shortening our calculations. If you go by like each and every step of this BODMAS, like I'll go only step by step, again you will solve the question but you will not get the job. Okay? Why? Because at the end of the day, you will only clear the exam if you can solve the questions within time. And these are all free hit questions. These you have to solve within 30 seconds. You see and solve a few lines. If you can do mentally, that's the best possible scenario. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Moving on. Sir, Bapri, 2018 CGL. So 30 seconds time. 30 seconds time. Quickly solve, sir. Quickly solve, sir. Solve this very, very quickly. 30 seconds over. 30 seconds are over. No answers as of now. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Need answers, need answers, need answers. Sir, modify. Sir. Off means what? Off is nothing, means nothing but multiplication. Right, sir? It's 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1. And anything divided by 1 means that number only, sir. So this whole thing, sir, means 9 by 15 into, sir, 2 by 3. Right, sir? Now, come back here. Sir, off will do first. Gone, sir. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 by 1 means, sir, 1. So this is 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. In between division, sir. In between, sir, division. Sir, off again, sir. Let's see. Sir, off I'll do first. Off I'll do first. Now, here you just do this, sir. Sir, off if I do first. 4 into 2, 8 and 25, sir. 8 by 25, sir. Sir, 5 by 2 here, sir. And it is division. It is division, sir. You see, this is where you can make a mistake, sir. This is where you can make a mistake, sir. Please understand, sir. Please understand this. ऐसे लिखने से पहले, let me just show you this. Please understand. Think like this. Think like this, sir. Sir, this off is a part, sir, and this division is a part, sir. Please understand. Sir, off means multiplication. And multiplication also means multiplication. But again, if you look at BODMAS, sir, off has higher hierarchy than a normal multiplication. So there has to be some reason. There has to be some reason, no, sir. So please understand, do not make that mistake. Do not make that mistake, sir. So this is 5 by 4 by 5 by 2 into 5 by, so if I do this 5 by 4, sir, if you are not comfortable with division, always write it like this. Sir, into opposite 2 by 5. Sir, into, sir, this thing you do 8 divided by 25. Done, sir. 4 by 25 remaining. So now. So this is 3 3s are 9. Nothing, sir. 6 by 5 division. 9 by 16. Off means into 4 by 25, sir. Now 6 by 5 into, I'll do this opposite. 25 fourths of this is 9. 20, 40 divided by 3, sir. 40, मिस कर गया क्या मैं? Anything have I missed? Have I missed something? कुछ मिस कर गया क्या मैं? 40 by 9 you guys are saying. एक 3 में मिस कर गया क्या? रुको. अरे ये क्या हो गया? ऑफ वाला मिस कर गया मैं. Where did I miss? अरे again I have to do. ये तो गड़बड़ ना सर. पद्मा, प्रमक, रुको. In these questions, if you miss something, it's very difficult to track back to that. It is very, very difficult to track back to that thing. Wherever you have missed, now it is very, very difficult to track back. If I have missed, last lines में कुछ miss नहीं किया ना. 6 by 5 into अरे यार, अच्छा this was off or something. हाँ, this was off ना, so ये तो पहले होगा. 9 into 4 by 4, like 25 into 4. I do not think I've missed anything. रुको, I have to do it once more. I have to do it, brothers and sisters, because there's no way of tracking it. I have made some mistake somewhere. Somewhere, something I've made an error. So there is absolutely no way of tracking it back. Let me do it once again. Okay, that will be easier. 9 by 15 first line. But I had taken this ना. I had taken this. चलो off का काम पहले कर निपटा लेते हैं. This is 8 by 25. This is gone, sir. This is gone, sir. Off. ये कर लेते से पहले. 2 by 3. This is the first line. Because, sir, this is off. चलो नहीं. 6 by 15. This thing is 6 by 15. Division. This is also gone. Now, but again, there is an off here. So 3 3s are 9 divided by, sir, 16. Off. 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. 5 by 4 into, sir, 2 by 5 into, sir, 8 by 25. This I need to do first. 5 and 5 gone. 4 into 2 gone, sir. 4 by 25. Done na? 100. Acha, yes, now I get it. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 6, 5 20s are this is 40 divided by 9. ये पहला वाला में ही I had done some error. In the first line calculation में ही I had done some error. I had, yes, 9 by 5. Yes, Subhash. My mistake, my mistake. 9 by 15 को I had written as 9 by 5. देखो, I had done everything right and 9 by 15 I have written as 9 by 5. पागल कैसे कैसे बनाते? How can a person be mad? Like, सुबह सुबह. चलो, next question with a vinculum CGL 2020 question, sir. Let's solve, sir. This is the very easy question, sir. Again, vinculum is the first bracket. First, we'll do the vinculum. And Reena and Subhash and Nitish, you guys are saying it after I've solved. पहले बता देते भाई, थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाता. अच्छा, one way of quickly solving this, ना, you see, if I do this, 10 by 8, 14 by 8, can I say this is 24 by 8? Meaning, sir, 3. Meaning, sir, 3. You are getting my point. How I've just solved. How I've just solved, sir. So I've just thought about. So plus, but again, you have to do it mentally, sir. You have to do it mentally. You should not write it. So this is 10 by 8, 14 by 8, 24 by 8. ठीक है, sir? So 24 by this is 3. 38 minus 3 means, sir, this is 35. 75 plus 35, sir. 110, sir. 110, 142 minus 110. 32, sir. 364 minus 32, sir. That is 332, sir. That is your answer without pen or paper, sir. Without pen or paper, sir. Subhash, Reena, again you guys are correct, sir. Remember, if it is an easy question, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Do not overcomplicate things. Please do not overcomplicate things here. It is easy. Keep it easy, sir. The moment you start overcomplicating, the question will become overcomplicated. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Sir, this type. CHSL 2022, sir. Sir, again, they are like three nuclear families. Three nuclear families calculate differently. But again, multiplication and division, no worries then. But again, just remember, off you need to do first. But again, it is only multiplication, division. It doesn't actually matter over there as well. So it is 7 into 14 by 4. 7 times 14 by 4. 7 times 14 by 4 means that this is 7 times 7 by 2, 49 by 2. 49 by 2 divided by 5 into 4 by 2 means that 5 2s are 10 plus. So 6 divided by 12 means half into 3 is 3 by 2 by 5 by 25, 1 by 5 into 2, 2 by 5, sir. Right, sir? Plus 15 by 5, sir. 3 into 18, sir. By 5 into, achha, this is 3 2s are this, 3 3s are this, sorry, 3 5s are this. 25 by 2, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Calculate कर लो थोड़ा. थोड़ा इसको 49 divided by 20 plus 5 will go up 15 by 4, sir. Plus this is 36 by 25, sir. Why, sir? 100 will be the, will this 4, like 5 times 5 into 49 means how much, sir? 24.5, meaning 245. Achha, again here a good technique. Let me complete, then I'll show. 25 into 15, sir. 25 into 15 means, sir, 375 plus, and 4 times 436 are how much? 144. Sir, 300, 200, 300, 600, 600, 75, 45 kar lo. 75 and 45. 75 and 45 is, sir, like 120. 120 plus 40, 64, 64, 64, 7.6. Sir, here, let me show you one very good calculation technique, sir. Calculation technique or multiplication or division technique by 5, 25 and 125. Let me show it with 5 and 25. Mostly that is used. Sir, 5. 5 has a girlfriend, sir, or boyfriend, whatever. That is 2, sir. So wherever you see 5, you get them married. So ठीक है, उसको like उसका like girlfriend दिला दो. That is into 2 you do. Always you multiply that with 2. So what did I do over here? You see, in division as well. Say for example, if I need to multiply 128 times 5, what I'll do, sir? What I'll be doing, sir? The best way to calculate, sir, you multiply 2 here. You multiply, sir, 2 here and divide by 2 here. Because if I multiply 2 somewhere, I must divide by 2 also somewhere. So multiply 2. Why? Because, sir, 5 2s are 10. Very simple value. Sir, this we know. So the answer is 64 into 10, that is 640. Sir. You are getting my point? You are getting my point, sir? Very simple way I can calculate. Very simple way I can calculate, sir. In a very, very, very simple way. So any number, sir. You might say, sir, what about even like odd numbers, sir? Tell me 277 into 5, sir. No worries, sir. Into 2 by 2. Point aayega na, sir. 13 2s are 26. 17 means 8.5, sir. Into 10, if I do this, decimal will go out. So 1385 is the answer, sir. What about division? Sir, for example, same thing, 277 divided by 5. Sir, again, wherever you see 5, multiply by 2, sir. 277, sir, how much? 27 2s are 54. 54 and 14 means, sir, 540 plus 14 is 554 by 10. Meaning, sir, 55.4, sir. You are getting my point? Similarly, sir, 25, the girlfriend name is, sir, 4. 125, the girlfriend name is, sir, 8. Why? 25 4s are 100. 125 8s are 1000, sir. 125 8s are 1000, sir. So if you can apply this, You see, your calculation speed, calculation techniques will be much easier. You see, what did I do? 20 and this. So I multiplied 49 with 5 na here. 49 times 5. How did I do? Now it was easy because I could have said 15 to 5 minus 5. That also works because the 49 number is easier. But again, what did I do? 24.5 I know, that is half of this. 49 by 2 is 24.5. Just get rid of this because into 10 hoga. Because of 5 into, because ultimately what we are doing? Into 2 here, divide by 2 here. So this is 245. I have written this directly, sir. Similarly, this 4 was there, meaning 25 multiplication. 25 times 15, sir. 15 by 4 into 4, sir. 4 fours are 16, meaning, sir, this is 3.75 and this is 100, sir. Meaning the answer is 375. You see, that is what I've done over here. That is what I've done. Now, with practice, you get quicker at this. And these are the techniques where you will make very, very less errors with practice. Now, again, if you expect, sir, I'll just go and I'll kind of start kind of solving questions, doing this, using these techniques like in 10 seconds. No, that doesn't happen. Let me say this. You cannot or you should not actually expect that you will start solving questions all of a sudden in 10 seconds. You need time, you need practice. But again, I can promise you that much. Once you start using these techniques, small little things here and there, you will never go back to the normal ones. That much I can say. धीरे धीरे होगा. It will take time. It will take little bit of time, but again, it will eventually happen. Next question. Chalo. Again, this type has become popular over last couple of years. CGL 23, 24, both years they have asked like this type. This type has been asked. So this one, so they will ask the value. They will incorporate some variable and they will ask values. Chalo sir, solve this. Not a very difficult one. Not a very difficult question. Anjali Moria. Nishan, anything you want to say? Chinmay, yeah, that's brother, that's absolutely very good. That is very, very good. Yes, Chinmay, that this thing I also do. This thing I also do. But again, you have to, like, whenever you calculate, you are calculating, you have to like kind of judge like for which like number, which technique is better. Okay. For example, if say 489 into 7 you need to do. Best is 400 into 7, 2800. 80 into 7, 560. 9 into 7, sum. This is better. But again, if I'm multiplying this with 5 instead of like 7, I will use the technique that we have discussed. You are getting my point now, brother? So it actually depends which one like is better for which one, like for where. Perfect. Trial and error only. Chalo, let's do this one. So division, multiplication, division. So 8 nines are this 90. 15, sir, 61, sir. 6 nines are 90, 15 ones are this. 32 into 5, sir, 160. Abhi sikha. By 2 into 10. 16. 6 16s are 96. 64 means 4 times. So 37 threes are 111. Achha, this value you please remember. Very, very, very interesting value. 37 into 3 hota hai. Very, very, very interesting value. ठीक है? Very interesting value, sir. So this is M. So meaning 90 plus 61 plus 160. अच्छा एक काम करो sir. 61, 64 gone plus 3 remaining. Right, right. Sir, plus 6 gone, sir. So it is plus 90 से जाएगा तो sir this is plus 84 remaining. M will go this side. M will become 160 plus 84, sir. हाँ जी ना. Have I made plus? अच्छा, this is multiplication. Sorry. This was multiplication ना. एक सेकेंड भाई रुको. सॉरी, ये तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन था भाई. This was 90. This was how much? 61 na. This was 64 and this was 3. This was multiplication. Let me write it down. 90 plus 61 minus m plus 160. It is equal to 64 times 3, sir. Okay. 64 times 3 means, sir, 192, sir. Now you do. 160, 192 means plus 32. Plus 32 and so 61. 31 and this is 30, so it will be plus 29. So m will be, sir, 90 plus 29, sir. नहीं आ रहा है क्या? 69 into 3. क्या मैंने किया भाई? मैंने क्या किया बताओ ना. अरे यार, अरे पागल रे भाई. यस, दिस इज 69. अरे मैं पागल ही हो गया भाई. मैं ही नहीं देख रहा हूं. दिमाग में घुस के बैठा है ना. दैट इज देयर इन द ब्रेन ना. माइनस m plus 160. It is equal to 16 6 are this. अरे कौन बोला रे? This is 64 only. अरे यार 1104. Yes. Absolutely 144 बचा. Yes. 69. तो अच्छा, this is m 90 61. Actually the problem is ऊपर मेरे को दिखता ही नहीं है. Plus a minus m plus 160 is 69. So 210 minus 3, 207, sir. Now you cancel, sir. Plus 47, sir. 47, 61, sir. 50. And this is, sir, m ka value, sir. Sir, 47. 47 means like this is 3, 11, 14, sir. So this is 104 का answer है. I was doing something pagal. The biggest problem actually is you guys can see this line, this particular portion of the board very clearly. I cannot, brother, because there are so many lights over here. So it's very difficult for me to see anything here. Even if I write anything here, na, it's completely blind I am here. Pagal means mad. I say this na very often. I say this very, very often. अच्छा, चलो. कितना बचा है टाइम? We have 5 minutes left ना. रुको. Sir, this one, sir. Ladder problems, sir. Ladder type fraction, sir. Let's solve at least couple ladder type fraction questions. Sir, in these questions, always tackle the question from this end. Always. You will always wrong option. Arey, no. It's okay. I was doing something, पता नहीं क्या. I sometimes have these blank moments. I sometimes have these blank moments. अरे no, Reena, it's okay. So 2 plus 1 by 3, 7 by 3. 7 by 3, 1 by 7 by 3 means 3 by 7. 3 by 7 meaning 1 plus 3 by 7. 11 by 7. 1 by this is 7 by 11. Can you do this? Can you do this, everyone? Can you do this? 6, 7, 7 by 3, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. अच्छा, sorry. 11, 10 by 7. Sorry. हो गया आज मेरा. Fuse is gone. 7 by 3, 3 by 7, 10 by 7, 3 by 10, sir. Can you do this? Can you guys do this? Can you guys do this? Arey, no worries, brothers. Chalo. Sir, A is how much, sir? 6 by 10, that is 3 by 5. अरे मैं तो फिर से पागल हो जाऊंगा. 3 plus 2, 7 by 10. Sorry, 7 by 3. 3 by 7. 10 by 7. 7 by 10. Ek second, what I'm doing, I don't know. 3 plus 2, 7 by 3. 3 by 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 7. 7 by 10 आ रहा है ना. पागल हो क्या? छोड़ दो. This is the last question. This is the last question. Let's not go ahead. Actually, I'm taking classes constantly. Oh yeah. Let's make it the last. 1 by 5, everyone. Yes. This was our last question. Let's make this the last question of the day. Okay. Types, all the types I've covered almost. And again, there are so many questions. This is actually I have taken so many extra questions because like you guys will have a good practice out of this. Okay. So there are almost 50-60 questions. I'll give you the whole PDF. I'll upload the whole PDF at night so that you can have access. You can have access to the whole thing. Subhash, yes. Sir, is there another class? No, Nitish, no. Shortcuts are there, Subhash. Those we will learn as we go along, brother. We will learn as we go along. Or if you know, like want that like right now, na, please ek bar, if you please go through like that, like my foundation batches. I have also covered all those things. But again, don't worry, we will learn all like those things here as well. As we go along, we will learn those things. ठीक है? Simplification ka there was only one class. There was only one class. Perfect, everyone. Perfect. Perfect, everyone. Chalo, sir. Then that will then be all for today. That will then be all for today. Again, I have another class after this. So I'll again see you guys tomorrow with the advanced math class, right? The geometry class. And again, I guess on Monday, I'll see you guys with the like with percentage. So actually Monday onwards, we are going into the core of like you can say arithmetic. So again, the actual thing starts from Monday. This was just a very chill class. Thoda calculation सीखा. That sort of thing. Okay. So again, I'll see you guys on tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Till then, please take care. And if you have loved the session, please do rate the session accordingly. So thank you so much. And again, I'll see you guys. Till then, till tomorrow, please take care and bye-bye from my end. Thank you so much.